there's this thing called the RenewaLift device that's been making the rounds online. It claims to lift sagging skin, tighten up your jawline, get rid of your double chin, and even smooth out wrinkles, all in just 3 weeks. It's pitched as a high-tech skincare tool that uses microcurrent and LED light therapy. And it's packed with 80 tiny lights in different wavelengths: amber, red, deep red, and infrared. Supposedly, all of this helps boost collagen, improve elasticity, and tone up your facial muscles. But here's where things start to feel a little off. This exact device has been sold under a bunch of different names before. It's just been rebranded over and over. The marketing looks familiar too. Dramatic before and after photos, big promises, but not much real proof. If you try to find honest reviews, good luck. Most of the reviews on their site are clearly fake, and there's no way for actual customers to leave feedback. Dig a little deeper, and it turns out you can find the same gadget on Alibaba for less than $5. It's probably just a cheap mass-produced item that's being resold at a huge markup through dropshipping. Now, to be fair, microcurrent and LED light therapy can have real benefits when they're used in proper clinical settings with high-quality equipment. But expecting big results from a budget device like this, that's a stretch. People have also reported that it breaks after just a few uses. And if something goes wrong, don't expect much help. The refund policy is unclear and customer service is pretty much non-existent. On top of that, there's no scientific evidence provided by the seller to show it actually works on sagging skin or wrinkles. Many dermatologists warn that using cheap home devices can sometimes cause irritation, redness, or even minor burns. The before and after photos are often heavily edited or taken under different lighting, which is misleading. Even worse, some people end up spending hundreds of dollars on what is essentially a $5 device. In the end, this seems like one of those trendy skincare gadgets that's all hype and no substance. Flashy ads, recycled claims, fake testimonials. It's just not convincing. If you're serious about skincare, it's probably best to skip stuff like this and talk to a licensed professional who can actually recommend treatments that are safe and effective. Real results come from consistent care, proper products, and sometimes clinically tested devices, not internet hype. Happy staying safe.